yeah. And found another siren.
Hi, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you. So let's get to it. Okay. Where's the, okay. This thing is nice. Where's it coming? Just get a lot more difficult. On this part here, maybe let's do this way. Perfect, I think. No, wait, stop. Oh, that's what it is. Go to this. Holy fuck, how am I even supposed to do this? Does it bust iPhone? The whole thing doesn't package it. But you know what? I'd rather be protected than not protected anyhow, so. Like, can I see it? See, I messed up, I must stand out. Get this out. Jesus, wait. There we freaking go. Now I made the progress that we need to make. Jeez. Wow. Okay. I saw that shit didn't get into my siren, but that's fucking why. So anyways, yeah, this is my C8. No, I said C8, my bad. This is my S8M5 from B&M, SiroDriftSirens.com. This is all the way from back in the World War II days. They're no longer manufactured, so this is like wicked rare. So there we have it. Heck yeah. I am so proud to be an owner of one of these, especially in this condition. Look forward to a test with this very soon.